Okay, so this is another math video. This video is purely examples. It's 4 examples. Going to try and make it interactive. So what you can actually do is pause the video every time that you see the problem. You can pause it, you can read it, try and answer it on your own piece of paper if you want to. I would suggest pausing, trying it, and then you can continue to watch the video to see what answer I get, and you can see if you did it right. So go ahead and pause right now and then try the problem and then start it back up to watch me go through it. And you can do that for each problem, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how I would start this problem is I am going to use substitution to substitute in this possible solution. We don't know if it's a solution. That's what we're trying to determine, but it's a possible solution, and we're going to figure that out by substituting it in. So I could do 3 parentheses plus 4 equals 10. And I'm going to substitute in 2. Okay. Now I start simplifying the left side to see if I will get down to an equivalent statement. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then plus 4 equals 10. And 6 plus 4 is 10 equals 10. Well, is that an equivalent statement? Does 10 equal 10? I would say very strongly that 10 does equal 10. So, knowing that 10 equals 10, is this a solution? Is x equals 2 a solution? Yes, because when I plug in 2, I get an equivalent statement. I get 10. When I plug in 2 over here, I really do get 10. So, don't mind me. Oh, long day. Long day. So the answer is yes, x equals 2 is a solution. What you guys will actually learn or might already know is x equals 2 is the only solution because this would be a linear equation, and linear equations, they have one answer. All right. They cross the x-axis once. I don't know. They cross that value once. All right. So only one time does the equation ever equal 10, and that is when you plug in 2. We'll get to that in a later video. All right. So let's just move on and double check if these are solutions or not. So the next one, and like I said, you can pause the video now if you want to, try it on your own. I am going to start off again by using substitution. So we have 4 minus parentheses equals 1. All right. And I'm going to, is that the pen that did that? What is, am I bleeding? I'm not bleeding. That just must be ink. I got ink all over my fingers. All right. Did this thing blow? Did my Sharpie blow up already? I don't know what's going on here. Okay. I think it blew up. That's lame. Brand new marker. Okay, so when I plug that in, that sucks. I am upset by that. So I substituted in. All right, so now I'm going to solve it. Double negative, a negative times a negative is a positive. So that'll be 4 plus 3 equals 1. And then 4 plus 3 is 7 equals 1. Well, I don't know how I feel about that. I do not know how I feel about 7 being equal to 1. I would strongly say that 7 does not equal 1. So when it comes to answering this question, yes or no, is determine if r equals -3 is a solution to the given equation, I would say no, because it did not end as an equivalent statement. It did not equal 1. When I plugged in -3, I did not get 1. I got 7, not equal. So I would say, wow, I would say no. R equals -3 is not a solution. Okay, so that is the answer to number 2. All right, let's do, where's the next one? Okay, there we go. So again, if you want to, pause the video, try and answer this for yourself. All right, I'm gonna begin. So 4 parentheses -3 equals -1. I want to check, I want to find out, is x equals 1/2 a solution to this? So I'm substituting it in. All right. Substituting it in, and I am going to now simplify the left side and see if I get -1. All right, so 4 times 1/2, when you multiply by a half, or when you multiply by a fraction, or at least a fraction with 1 on top, you just divide by the denominator. It's a quick trick. Or you guys can just think about it as what's 4, what's half of 4, which should be 2. All right, and then -3 equals -1. Well, what's 2 minus 3? Should be -1. So is 1/2 a solution? Is 1/2 the solution? I would say yes, because I got an equivalent statement. -1 does equal -1. I like it. Sounds right. So yes. X equals 1/2 is the solution. And I can write the solution because we're talking about linear, like I was talking about. We'll talk about that a lot more detail in future videos. But there's only one solution, and the solution is x equals 1/2. All right. Last one. So if you want to pause the video, try this last one. So I'm going to start off 2 parentheses plus 33 equals 230. I'm going to substitute in 100 because I want to find out if that is a solution. So 100. All right, so 2 times 100 is 200, and then plus 33. 200 plus 33 is 233. I would say that we are close, but no cigar. That is not equivalent. Not equivalent. 233 does not equal 230. It's 3 away, 3 shy. All right, so I would say no. X equals, wow, x equals 100 is not the solution, period. Okay? So I'm going to end that video here. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, thumbs up or thumbs down, letting me know if it's good or bad so I know whether I need to make a different video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this is good. And I hopefully people liked that it was interactive. I hope that was helpful. Trying that out. All right.